I'll look busy. I'll pretend to be busy. Also, I give you full permission. I'm a YouTuber and I don't care if people record me.
Awesome. Thanks, Charlie.
So here we have the decompression chamber. What it does is it pressurizes in the middle of space.
Yep.
So we'll go on the inside next.
Yep.
We have solar panel 1.
Yep.
Solar panel 2.
Backup power
Communication
being turned
device.
off.
Yep.
Angus, backup power's on.
Communication 3. Communication 4.
Yep.
Angus, backup power's on.
Okay, comms 2. Okay, so now we're doing the inside.
All right.
I'm doing the inside.
Now we're both done.
All right. So what have you got here?
PA speaker.
Yep.
The PA, so
Yep.
you're talking to this thing.
And what is the purpose of the PA speaker?
So you can say like the PA speaker mainly does system announcements,
Yep.
but when the system's off,
Today at the cafeteria is taco day.
but then sometimes you can do your own announcements through
Yep.
that.
Mhm.
If you come down,
Yeah, this is the main system for
we have the supercomputer, the
Yep.
main system,
Mhm.
garden pot number 1.
That's my plant pot. I'm growing some tomatoes.
So here we have the backup power switch.
Andy, can you go and turn the main power
Stop.
on or check
Stop.
what's the problem?
Stop, Holly. Here we have so this is if anything's faulty.
Yep.
The light will turn red above faulty, above fault.
Yep.
But if it's running, the light will turn red above run.
Right. Okay.
So
Andy,
Charlie. Over here we have my plant pot.
Yep.
Star charts are over there.
Yep.
Blueprint of the space station,
Excellent.
and then a chart that I don't understand over there.
I
Perfect.
think that's maths.
Yeah. It's for when your calculators break down and you have to do all the math.